This core stabilization exercise is called the bird dog. And what you're going to do is start in a quadruped position, so hands and knees. You're going to get your core tight, a nice neutral spine, drawing those hip bones in together. And you're going to pick opposite arm, opposite leg off the ground. You're going to reach out as long as you can, not up, and then you're going to pull in and tuck your knee to your elbow. This is an example of what not to do. So do you see all the movement happening in the spine? That's a no.